Hello, tol. Kamusta? Nandito ko yun ako sa hotel. Tara, shot tayo dito. Sige, wait kita, tol. Wait lang. Tawag lang ako sa front desk.
Hi, good morning. Front desk is speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, front desk. Pwede bang magpadala kayo ng tagalinis dito sa room? Kasi may darating akong bisita.
Sure, may I know your room number, sir?
Dito sa 401.
Okay, sir. Be there in a minute. Thank you for calling.
Housekeeping.
No. Hello, tol. Asan ka na? Naiinip na ako dito eh. Kakahintay sa'yo.
Bakit po, sir?
Hindi. Sige, tuloy mo lang.
Sir, bakit po? Sir, wag po! Sir, tulungan mo po ako.
Ano bang nangyari? Ba't parang balisa ka?
Ginahasa po ako ng guest na nasa room 401.
Sige, gawin natin na report yan.
Sir, gusto ko po sana humingi ng tulong.
Ano bang nangyari? Pakikwento ang insidente.
Ginahasa po kasi ako sa hotel na pinagtatrabawan ko.
And then? Sige, iimbestigahan namin ang nangyaring insidente sa pinagtatrabahuan mo. At kukunin rin natin ang CCTV footage. Makakaasa kang makakamit mo ang hustisya. Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. I am Police Investigator Nunez. May complainant po kami nag-aasa po dito sa premises nyo. Kinakailangan po namin ng CCTV footage.
Saan po ba banda nangyari?
Sa room 401.
Pasensya na sir. Sira po yung mga CCTV namin ngayon.
Pwede ko po bang mahingi ang personal detail ng owner ng room 401?
Pasensya na po kayo sir. Ang protocol po namin is hindi po kami pwedeng magbigay ng personal info ng aming guests.
Good afternoon, sir. Anong concern niyo, sir? May warrant of arrest po kayo. Ikaw ay may karapatang manahimik o magsawalang tibok. Ano man ang iyong sasabihin ay maaaring gamitin o pabor laban sa iyo sa anumang hukuman. Ikaw ay may karapatang ding kumuha ng tagapagtanggol ng iyong pinili at kung walang kakayahan nito, pagkakaloon sa iyo ng pamahalaan. Mama ka na lang at kapunsinto ka na lang magpaliwanag.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ortiz. I am Police Investigator Munoz. May kaunti akong katanungan sa'yo, Mr. Ortiz.
Ako din, sir.
Asaan ka nung December 1?
Noong December 1 po, nasa room 401 po ako sa hotel.
Kilala mo ba si Jane?
Hindi po, sir.
Anong ginagawa mo nung oras ng alas 9 ng December 1?
No, ang ginagawa ko po noong December 1 po ay nasa room po ako and then tumawag po ako sa front desk namin. Front desk upang mag-conduct ng linis sa aking room dahil may paparating po akong bisita.
Totoo bang ginahasa mo si Jane?
Hindi po, sir. Ba't ko naman siya gagasahin, sir?
Ikaw ay madidetain muna habang under investigation ang cases.
Hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-detain dahil wala kayong sapat na evidence. Kung gusto nyo po, magharap-harap po tayo sa korte.
Ah, anak pala siya ni Mr. Rodolfo Ortiz, ang owner ng hotel. Ang hirap ng kasong to.
This court is now in session. The case of State versus Harold Ortiz will proceed. Counsel for the prosecution, you may present your opening statement.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this case involved a betrayal of trust. Mary Jane de la Cruz, a housekeeper in the hotel, was violated in the safety of her room. The evidence will show that Harold Ortiz, a guest, abused his position in his room. By the end of this trial, we will ask you to find the defendant guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Members of the jury, the evidence will show that Harold Ortiz is innocent of this crime. There is no direct evidence providing his guilt. We will demonstrate the accusations are based on misinterpretation and circumstantial evidence. At the end of this trial, we will ask you to find Harold Ortiz is not guilty.
May I call Miss Mary Jane to stand? Miss Mary Jane, can you describe what happened in that morning?
I was called to clean the room. 401 around 10 while I'm cleaning, he was attacked me and pushed me on the bed.
Do you recognize that person, Miss Mary Jane?
Yes, it was Harold Ortiz, the owner of room 401.
Miss Mary Jane, you said it was dark in the room. Are you sure? You correctly identified the individual.
I am certain. I saw his clothes and I remember his voice.
May I call Police Investigator Munoz to please stand? Sir Munoz, what evidence did you gather from the scene?
Collect fingerprints in the victim's blood.
What did the fingerprints results show?
The results indicated they not match Mr. Ortiz.
May I call Mr. Buado, the hotel manager? Mr. Buado, can you describe the hotel access protocols?
Staff use master key to access rooms, but they are required to log their rooms.
Was Mr. Harold Key logged for room 401 on the morning at 9 a.m.?
Yes, at 9 a.m. in the morning.
Mr. Pato, could someone else have used Mr. Ortiz's key?
In theory, yes. But keys are not supposed to be shared.
May I call Mr. Ortiz to stand? Mr. Ortiz, are you in room 401 at 9 a.m.?
Yes. I request a room service in my room because I have visitor to come in my room.
Did you attack Miss De La Cruz?
No, I did not.
Ladies and gentlemen, the evidence is clear. The victim identified Harold Ortiz, and the fingerprint evidence does not corroborate his account. We urge you to deliver justice for Mary Jane De La Cruz by finding the victim, Harold Ortiz, is committed the crime.
Members of the jury, doubt remains. The prosecution has not proven beyond a reasonable doubt that Harold Ortiz committed this crime. We ask you to find him not guilty.
Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor. We find the defendant not guilty.
This concludes the trial. Court is adjourned.